Hello traders, hello traders. Today is the 1st of August 2011 and happy trading to you all. Okay, the time in London now is 22 minutes past 4 p.m. okay, which is 11:22 a.m. Eastern time. As you can see, as I told you before in my previous video titled key Fibonacci levels, okay, we have reached the greediest target, the 4 to 3% Fibonacci extension levels. In the previous video, I was telling you that the key Fibonacci extension levels that you can perfectly pay attention to, okay, the first one is 161%, the second one 261%, and the third one 4 to 3%. Now, talking about Fibonacci, we need to use common sense, okay? Because what is happening is that price is going in one particular direction, okay? People take profit, okay? And they come back again and sell if the price is going down. And the inverse is happening when the price is going up. So it's just a tool to measure how much profit people are taking, and also to understand the sentiment in the market. As you can see here, the price display a double top on this 3-minute chart and break the knot, which I prefer to call the knot, or the neckline of this double top here, okay, and retest it, okay. And then we have the first area wave. As I told you before, I don't want to repeat myself for the area wave, and our target was reached here. You can see that the fourth area wave was here, okay. This is what we are talking about, okay. This is what we are talking about, the reality of the market. Now, this is the fourth area wave. The price went down, okay. So this is the 261% Fibonacci extension level, okay, after the retracement here of after the retracement of 38.2%, you see. So now, the point I want to make here, you see the price reached the target of 4 to 3%, because I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I don't want to dwell too long on this area here. So the 4 to 3% target, it has been reached now, okay. Now some traders will take profit here. It's perfectly okay to take profit in this zone. In fact, it's smart to do that, okay. Bank your profit before, okay. Everybody else, alright. So now, something else we need to pay attention to. This is about following the price. We're going to go now from the 3-minute chart, we're going to the hourly chart. You see, I'm using here my crazy my crazy Bollinger Band 50 volatility tool. That's what we use. So you know one of our tool now, the Bollinger Band 50 volatility tool. That's it, wide and big and ugly, okay, Bollinger Band, okay, 50 volatility tool, okay. Now you can see clearly that this level here, that's where we have reached the 4 to 3% target. By the band, you see there's a room for the price to continue the movement here to retest this price level, which is exactly again at the lower band here. So there is a high chance that the price may seek to come and retest this band here. That will be a better place. If I am a smart trader and I want to buy, I would prefer not to buy here, but to buy here, okay. But in fact, because we are in the overbought zone for the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, and my priority is to sell, okay. So if I'm buying in this overbought zone, I will be very careful. So I will use a tiny stop loss, control the risk carefully, because I am in the overbought zone. It's like you are in a bearish territory. You don't try to play a bullish music in a bearish territory. It's just a bit of respect for the bear, so to speak. Same thing if you are in oversold zone. We don't go around and start some celebration, okay, of the bear, because that's the bullish territory. That's how myself I trade, okay. So we are in overbought zone. I want to give priority to selling. If I am buying in overbought zone, I will be very, very careful. It does not mean that the price cannot go up in overbought zone and even break out above the overbought zone, okay. Very important. It's just being very patient and cautious, okay. So the price now at 4 to 3%, okay. But looking at my Bollinger Band, there is a room for the price to continue the movement to the downside up to this level here. That would be a better place, because you see that there was a price turnaround here. There is an important price level. Important price level is where the price changes direction. Whenever you see the price changing direction, that's an important price level. It went down all the way here and changed direction. This is a very important price zone. But there is another thing you need to pay attention to for this level here. There is a consolidation in this session here. The consolidation zone is a very tough trading zone. So some traders are buying now in this zone. Okay, so this is just a quick video that you must pay attention to the Bollinger Band also, okay, to understand what's going on. But as I showed you already, the key levels, okay, as I showed you in the 3-minute chart, our target has been reached. Some traders taking profit here, but be aware that the price can perfect even though the target is reached, which means, okay, that's what we are talking about. We have our 5 area wave, first area wave, okay, second area wave, third area wave, okay, fourth area wave, and fifth area wave now here, okay. Now as you can see, if the price try to seek, okay, the lower bound of the Bollinger Band on the hourly chart, you will see a bit of exaggeration of the fifth area wave, which will create a kind of a market distortion. In normal condition for the area wave theory, okay, this is what we are talking about, a theory and a reality of a messy market, okay. So now, so if you are using the theory, remember that the reality of the market can be different. So our fifth area wave has been achieved. What we will see is to have something like this, go up a bit, that will be the A, B, C, okay. So what I will do now, draw again, remove my previous Fibonacci levels and draw another Fibonacci level for the whole move to the downside. So from this level here, okay, down to this level here, okay. So I'm going to draw my Fibonacci lines ready, okay. Now the ABC, okay, corrective move. If you want to master the subject of Fibonacci, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com. okay. If you want to know more and master the subject of area wave, you need to go to www.24elliotwave.com. now, okay, so in normal condition, the ABC will bring the price somewhere in this zone between the 50% and the 51.8% Fibonacci, okay, retracement level here, okay. So something like this, up, down a bit, and then push it up into this zone somewhere here to retest this level, which is again another 61.8, and then again we try to challenge the price down. But the most important in this video is the awareness of the bands, because if you go to www.stochasticmarket.com, click on the Bollinger Band and learn to master the Bollinger Band. Because when one band is broken, you see this band is broken, what we say is kaput, okay. I like that German word, kaput, okay. It's kaput, broken, now useless, it becomes useless, okay. You break inside it, you see it's wide open. We move to the next higher time frame. That's how we do it, because the band, yeah, it's the same thing we are looking at, but in a different time frame, okay. On this 3-minute chart is broken, so we look at a higher time frame, okay. So here we are watching the hourly chart candle, will be better for the price. That's my view. You take profit here, watch it. If you receive again a signal to sell, sell it, and then you see here, take profit here, okay. This will be a better place, okay, for the price to come to, extending in that particular case our fifth area wave, creating what I call a distortion, exaggeration, you see, blah 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 blah, okay. So this is just a quick video, okay, regarding a trade Fibonacci like a pro. Okay, for those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYSCOA traders, and our website is www.stochastic-market.com. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Speak to you soon.